Today I'm checking out this studio equipment case that I was sent so I can do this review. Let's go ahead, get it out of the box, see everything it comes with. So this is the case here out of the box. It's nice, it's got these straps here that you can carry it like that with your hand. It also has a place where you can put either like a label, what's here, maybe some identification, anything like that on the front. The inside, we've got these two nice big zipper pockets here in the front. They're mesh, so you can see easily what's through it. It's also padded on the front. So this front zipper has, I don't know, about 1/2 inch of padding there. On the inside, you've got dividers. There are two nylon dividers like this. These are hard dividers. These aren't something that's soft and bendable. When you put these in place, they're gonna hold because there's like a sturdy piece of maybe plastic or something in there, and these are padded also. So two Velcro dividers that you can put in. All of this is the soft material so that Velcro will stick to it. So if you put it in there, it Velcros into place. You also have a really long divider where you can divide things down the middle, like this. It also has Velcro on the ends, so it will Velcro inside the case the way you want it. Then you have this nice padded piece here that you can put in over the top like this if you wanted. So that way, you know, it keeps everything in there. If you take all the dividers out, you do have straps on the inside on both sides here. So you can strap things down if you have some heavy equipment in here that you need strapped down. Maybe it's fragile, you don't want to get it busted. You have straps on the top and on the bottom. And again, all of this material here is soft, so that way it works with the Velcro. There's also a zipper section here where you can take out this inside lining to clean it. It's a really nice case, definitely something that I'm gonna use to store my camera equipment in. But when I look at this, I mean, this could be used for a lot of different things. This wouldn't have to be just like studio or camera equipment. Yes, I'm gonna put my camera, my tripods, a couple of my light stands and lights, but you really could store anything in this thing. It's practically a piece of luggage. Of course, this case also has an extendable handle. You just push this button, handle goes down. Of course, push the button and it comes up. It's got those two really nice wheels there on the back and then 2 feet on the front, so that way it sits up like this. So yeah, really nice protective case. I really do like it. I think you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.